Hello everyone, this is Terry here, and I'm so glad that you are here. Today I wanted to share this fun little card that I created using some stamp sets from Blot shop. So let's get started. So here is the stamp set that I will be using for this card. And get this, it's called Fat Cat. I am in love with this stamp set, it's so adorable. So to start off my card, I just used Nina Solar White, and I'm placing the stamps all around the card front. So what I'm doing here is creating my own background with these cute little chubby cats. I then went in with Memento Tuxedo Black ink and stamped the images onto the cardstock. I do plan on using Copic Markers, and this ink is perfect because it's Copic friendly. So I went ahead and repeated the process until I was satisfied with the entire card front. Okay, so now that the front panel is complete, it's time for coloring, and this is my favorite part. So I'll go ahead and play some music and you guys can enjoy the coloring process. Okay, so that was a lot of coloring. This card is definitely coloring intensive. So here I am going in with a white gel pen, and I am adding highlights all over the cats as well as little dots all around the background. I then went in with a pink Copic marker and added some rosy cheeks onto the cats. And here is the final look. Isn't it so cute? They're so chubby and adorable. The little orange kitty there reminds me of my cat at home. Okay, so for the sentiment, I'm also using the stamp set from Blot shop, and I am stamping that onto black cardstock. I am using Versamar ink, which is a clear sticky ink for heat embossing. I will have everything I use listed in the description down below. So now going in with white embossing powder, I apply that all over the stamped sentiment. Then using my heat gun, I went ahead and heat set the sentiment. Now that the sentiment is ready, I did use my paper trimmer to trim that down. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the card. I went ahead and trimmed down my card panel off screen with a rectangle die, and also trimmed down black cardstock just a little bit larger than the card panel. I glued that together with liquid adhesive. I then adhered that onto a top folding card base with liquid glue. Now for the sentiment strip, I trimmed that down to fit my card panel, and I applied foam strips and popped that onto the card panel. And there you have it, the card is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.